Okay, when the power is out, you come to your garage door. There's this little plate. Open it. You get the special key. It has either a dot or like a gap, and that must line up with this side here. So you just insert it, turn, pull out. Alright, so now you're gonna have to pull the cable, and while you're pulling, you have to lift up the garage door. Okay, so let's see. You will kind of like feel like it gives, like, yeah, it's kind of plays. So like that, you can lift up the door. So you lift it up. So if you want to disengage it, you have to just tug it again, and then we will continue normally again. Put it back. Turn. Ooh. Easy.